Hi there! Welcome to Trujay's Data Migration How-To tutorial, migrating from Insightly to Salesforce. Head over to Trujay's self-service migration page, then click Start Migration. Continue by selecting your current CRM, which in this case is Insightly. Insert your API key, and if you're not sure where to find it, hit our FAQ icon. Continue by selecting your target CRM, which in this case is Salesforce. Click Connect when you're ready. You'll then have the option to choose from Advanced or Standard Mapping. If you have questions about our standard mapping, hit the FAQ icon. For this video, let's do Customize Mapping. In this step, you'll select the objects you'd like to map, then click Next. After matching users, you'll then map fields. You can then browse through the map fields and deselect the ones you do not want mapped. You'll have the option to utilize our drop-down filter tool and get tips on mapping. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find that you can also select records for sample migration. If everything looks good to go, start free sample migration. Click Confirm when you're ready. Users will also have the option to select our guided migration service. Start full migration. And now your migration is complete. For more information, visit Trujay.com.